Hi, I'm Aaron from 𝙎𝙉𝘼𝘾 Machinery. Today, I'll be introducing you guys the vertical packaging machine. As you can see here, this vertical packaging machine is made up of stainless steel 𝑠US304, which allows its sturdy body, very reliable as all the components inside were branded and we are using servomotor for the highest accuracy. Hence, it is able to reduce your packaging wastage and also ensure that each packed product have an accurate weight in it. This machine is used to pack chips, snacks, small items such as candies and so on into this packaging. So this machine is extremely suitable and it is also versatile, and we are able to add on with multi-head and multiple types of conveyor systems and also weighting system to combine with use on this machine. So this machine is extremely durable, as you can see from the body and from the build-up of the machine. All the components it is used, as I mentioned just now, is all branded. Besides that, we also have a touchscreen for the easy-to-use interface where your workers are able to tune the settings accordingly in this touchscreen. It can also save up to 100 recipes, meaning that you are able to produce packaged product of different type up to 100 types. What are you waiting for? Hurry up and contact us for more info regarding of this machine. Thank you.